Hey, what is on, guys? This is Cloud here. And for today's video, I'm going to be announcing my giveaway for 6,000 subscribers. And it's sort of like a celebration because this is a very exciting time for Supreme. The next 2 weeks are going to be box logo drops most likely. So this is a time to celebrate the Supreme drops. And I'm celebrating me hitting 6K subscribers. Before I get into the giveaway, I want to tell you guys that I'm currently uploading daily videos on my second channel. Link in the description down below. So I would really appreciate if you guys go check out that channel and subscribe to it because I'm uploading literally daily on it. Now, as for what I'm giving away for this giveaway, I'm going to be giving away the Supreme TNF keychain. Now you're like, didn't you already give that away? Yes, I was supposed to, but the winner of the giveaway lived in a foreign country, and for some reason to ship to that particular country, even for a small item like this one, I believe ended up being like over 20 bucks, which is like more than the value of this item. So I was like, I'm just gonna PayPal you that money instead because it'll be like stupid expensive to ship this thing. It wouldn't even be worth it because the shipping was more than the item, so that didn't make any sense to ship it. So that's why I still have this thing to give away, and it just made a lot of sense to give this away because I'm not going to use it, so maybe someone else will use it, so that's why I'm giving it away. So to enter the giveaway, it's going to be very simple. All you guys need to do is click on the link down below. It's going to take you to a website called Resell. And on that website, you just got to put in your name and your email. And then there's only one option to enter right now. So just click on the thing that says like follow CLDY on Instagram. And then go follow me on Instagram. Once you follow me on Instagram, just type in your Instagram name. And then that's all you need to do to enter the giveaway. I might add on more options like down the line. I'm running this giveaway for about 2 weeks, so in about 2 weeks this giveaway will be over and then I'll pick the winner, but I might end up putting different like entry options, so definitely look out for that. But that's gonna be it like right now. I'll probably give you an option to enter like extra entry on my second channel, so look out for that too. But that's it for this video. I don't want to drag it out much longer because there really isn't that much to talk about. I'm just celebrating my 6K subscribers and doing a giveaway. So go enter the giveaway. You guys have any questions or any comments to make, leave them down below. Leave a like if you guys are excited for the giveaway or for the box logo drop. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.